Okay, so I'm going to do a small demonstration of how I approach an urban scene in watercolour. And this one's going to be just one colour, lamp black. And what I'll do is I'll vary the amount of water that goes into the black to create some distance in this piece. So this can be very simple. Should take about 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do is start with the distant buildings. I'm going to go into the black, I'm going to add some water to create kind of a mid-tone. And this is going to be without a pre-drawing, so I'm going to start the distant buildings now. Going to make this quite random. Really just implying a bit more black in there. And this should dry a bit lighter. I'm leaving a few gaps in. And these could be like large tower blocks, skyscrapers, great for like urban scenes. Or to drop a bit of dark at the bottom. The thing is to change the shapes as you go, so it's not all one uniform line. What I do is when I put the figures in, they're going to be very dark, almost neat black. Right, I'm going to start the figures. I'll probably change to a smaller brush in a minute, but I'm going to get some really thick black. Give it a little dab on the old rag. Right, the thing is with the figures is to keep the heads all the same level, even the very distant figures. And it doesn't matter if they bleed here and there into the buildings, but I'm basically running these distant figures. Basically, these are the smallest ones, very randomly. And my figures are kind of a little dot for the head, with a bit of a squiggle for the body. But they still read as figures when the other ones are put in. So I'm probably going to change to a smaller brush now. So I'm going to do some bigger ones. So the heads are same level. Or do I do a bit of a body and then a couple of legs coming out? And I quite like it when it bleeds into the buildings. Adds a bit of texture and a bit of movement. I'm really just putting them in randomly. I'll have some joined together, some on their own. So I'm walking that way. And really the white paper helps create that illusion of space. So I'm actually using the negative space of the paper itself in this kind of drawing. I'll change the angle of some of the figures. Very quick. I might do some really big ones to show you. I might put a bigger one in here. So the head goes the same level, create a bigger body. Leg there. And one leg comes a little bit further towards the bottom. And there. Almost there. Let's group these ones up a bit more here. Maybe one more here. I think we're about there. There we go. Thanks for watching.